Hi guys, this is Dave. Welcome to Ateneo de Davao's Moodle training. I'll be your course technician for this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add the questions using the different question types. As you can see, we are here now at course section. In this section, we have a blank quiz. To add the different questions in the quiz, click Turn Editing On. Click the quiz, and now we have Edit Quiz button, back to the course button. Let's click this Edit Quiz, and now let's click this Add menu. We have a new question from question bank, a random question. For now, let's click a new question. This is all the standard question types. Now, let's try to add true or false question. Select, then click Add. Set up the true or false question, we need to fill up all the required fields. For question name, for example, I will type overview quiz 1 or Q1. For question text, is the Philippines a province of China? Default mark is 1. It means this question is 1 point. General feedback. You can add a feedback if you want. ID number, just leave as it is. Correct answer is false. Feedback for the response true. If you want to feedback your students if they say true, let's type sorry. Try again next time. Feedback for the response false. Correct. Multiple tries. Penalty for each incorrect try. 1. Tags. Just leave as it is. Now save changes. And this is our first quiz question. And now let's try add another question. Click again the add menu. Click the a new question. And now let's try missing words. Click add. For question name, let's type overview quiz 2 or Q2. Question text, let's type ADU is located in double square bracket 1, double square bracket again, city. This value is the missing word. Default mark is 1. General feedback, ID number, just leave as it is. Choices, this is where you put the correct and wrong answer. As you can see, in our question text, we put square bracket 1. Back to choices, this is the square bracket 1. This is where you put the correct answer. Correct answer is above. For choice 2, this is where you put your wrong answer. Let's type Panabo. Choice 3, Tagum. And you can shuffle the answer if you want. And now we have 3 choices for the answers. Combine feedback, just leave as it is. Multiple tries will function if the behavior was set to adaptive mode so that the students will give several tries to get the questions right. But for now, let's leave as it is and save changes. Now we have 2 different question types. To preview the questions, click this preview icon. This is the question we created. Is the Philippines a province of China? True or false? Submit and finish. Close preview. For the second, Ado is located in Tagum, Panabo, or Davao. This is the 3 choices we created. And this is how it looks. And select missing words. Close preview. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Leave us a feedback and please subscribe to this channel. Enjoy learning, guys!